Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming support and opening the first app. This eliminates wasted steps. On Android, tap Recent or swipe up, and on iPad, use the dock to drag. Once in the multitasking view, long press or tap the app icon for split options. Make sure the other app is ready in background. Start the split action now so both apps load. This reduces reload delays and gets you into dual app mode quickly. Once the second app appears, drag it to the empty half or tap Open in Split to combine them. You'll want to adjust the divider so the app doing heavy work gets more space. Dragging left or right sets proportions like 70/30 or 50/50, and dragging to an edge swaps focus. Make sure to test orientation. Sometimes landscape helps multitasking, so lock orientation if you prefer one view. This ensures both apps remain usable and responsive while you work. To finish, pull the divider to the edge or use the app icon menu to exit split screen. You'll return to single app view instantly. If an app freezes, force stop, clear cache, or update the app. Once done, reopen in split to confirm stability. Make sure system settings allow split view for those apps because some are restricted. If native split misbehaves, try a trusted third-party split app as a fallback. That one troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.